Bonjour everyone and welcome to Le Café City. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make 5 easy cafe recipes that you can make at home. Recipes that are not only aesthetically beautiful, but also so darn freaking delicious. So we are going to start with some simple cold brew latte. I use concentrated cold brew for this drink. This is 100% cold brew Arabica called Dose 411 and it's really freaking good. So simple sugar syrup, ice, put ice all the way. And I'm going to add in a little bit of water because the cold brew is super strong. Add a cup of milk. Your perfect caffeine fix. For the second drink, we are going to do a matcha latte with black sugar and salted cream cheese. It is not complicated as you think it is because we are just going to use 6 ingredients. You have oat milk, cream cheese, condensed milk, matcha, and of course black sugar. One serving, I just mixed 1 spoonful of cream cheese, 1 spoon of condensed milk, coarse grated rock salt. And then you just mix it up until it blends together. Alright, let's taste test. Oh yeah. I need a straw for this. So yummy. For the third drink, it is super easy to make. It's called Korikohi. It is basically just iced coffee with milk. 2 ingredients, coffee and milk. It's time for the milk. Ooh la la! This looks so heavenly. Kung ayaw mo mapait, you just add a little sugar. And now for the fourth drink, I am going to make the easiest dalgona latte, but I added some honeycomb toffee. This is such an easy recipe to make. 2 spoons of coffee, and then 2 spoons of white sugar, 2 spoons of hot water. And then add in the milk. Dalgona. Don't spill your drink just like I did mine. Clumsy me. Oof. There you go. Bon appetit. Wow. Coffee is so rich. C'est très très bien. And now for my final drink, I will go for the classic caramel frappuccino. But of course we are going for the simple ingredients. A cup of ice, some half brewed coffee, le café espresso. Of course we put some ole, le milk, some simple sugar, and of course the caramel, and more caramel. And then we mix it in the blender. Voila. You have to be careful because we don't want to spill again. Oh là là. Crème fraîche, whipped cream. Oh là là, this is so sweet. Oh là là. Oula. And of course, a lot of caramel. Presenting the classic caramel frappuccino. Oh là là, c'est magnifique. So So I hope you guys enjoyed this mini cafe series at home. I will link down the recipes for the drinks down below. So until then, I will see you guys in the next Le Café Sully. Ciao!